Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I want to show you this cool little background technique that I did using washi tape. It is so fun and so simple, but I am just loving this card. I don't know if it's the colors, I don't know if it's the style, I don't know if it's that amazing ribbon with that little bit of bling on the edge or what it is, but I just thought it was super fun. So this actually uses Berry Burst and Flirty Flamingo. So I have Berry Burst as my card base, Flirty Flamingo as that little layer there, Flirty Flamingo as the scallop here, and then Berry Burst as the ribbon. So what I did is I took a piece of cardstock. This measures 3 3/4 by 5 inches, and I took the Basics Pack 1 washi tape. So that is these 5 rolls. They come in various widths and the different colors of the different shades of pink, as well as different patterns on each one. So I just started with one and actually just worked my way out. So I started in the middle because I just wanted sort of a nice even look, and I went a little diagonal only because I know that I couldn't get all of them to be perfectly straight, so I just went with a little bit of a diagonal look, and I just ripped on both sides. Again, this makes it a little bit easier so you're not having to get out your pair of scissors, and it just makes for a little bit more of a rustic look. And since there's no real pattern, then it's okay if you need to go a thicker one on this end and a thinner on this end or something like that, just to fill in with your spacing. Your spacing can be wider if you wish to use fewer strips of washi tape, or it can be thinner than I did as well. So there's lots of different options there. The other thing I wanted to show you is how I did that little ribbon on the back of the greeting. So I then just took that, layered it onto my card front, and then I used the layering ovals scallop for this piece here, but I actually used the stitched shape framelits for that layering oval on the inside, just because I enjoy that little stitched shape there with that edging. So now for the ribbon, I just took some dimensionals and some of the new Berry Burst metallic ribbon, and what I'm going to use is I'm just going to secure the ribbon on the back with my dimensionals in those little loop-de-loop ways. And then I can trim off the extra, and you can either do like a straight across or you can do a little diagonal. We'll diagonal this one as well. And then of course if you want to add in another dimensional, like maybe right here to even it out, then you can. You know I'm an overuser of dimensionals, so I tend to use more than probably necessary. And so then you have that fabulous little zigzag pattern on the back of your greeting there with a little bit of bling from that metallic edge. So super cute. Then just peel off the backs of the dimensional, and then you can add that to your project. Super cute. Of course I finished it off with a few rhinestones for a little bit more bling and everything too, and added the greeting. You could always add a Valentine's Day greeting, with this being shades of pinks and purple, or you could do any greeting that you want. What greeting would you use for this card? Birthday, sympathy, Valentine's Day? Let me know in the comments below, because I'd love to see what greeting that you decide to use. Of course, I'll be posting pictures of these on my blog, laurastamppad.com, so you can check that out there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new by clicking over here. And don't forget to hit that bell so you get the notifications. And click over here for other videos that I have posted using washi tape. I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.